welcome to YouTube channel. It's me again, Selena. I cooked some food for the day and this is my lunch. So I'm just gonna share it to you. So I got some fried rice over here. There I got some mixed vegetables. And this one is a chicken, but I put some tomatoes, soy sauce, and some onions and everything. So it's like adobo, but it's not really adobo because there's tomatoes inside. So, and then of course I boiled some spinach over here. See? So I hope you enjoy watching my video. Okay, so I'll be start eating already. Okay, so stay tuned. See ya. Okay, now this is my rice. Then, of course, other one, my chicken. And of course, my spinach. You know, this guys, this spinach, I just boiled this one. This one over here, I just boiled it. And add some lemon and sesame seeds. Then I put some little of what's this, the oil that I used to have, the sesame oil. So that's it. So let's eat, guys. Yummy. And this is the one I did a while ago. It's the chicken. See? Yum yum. It's really yummy, guys. So it's already like what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I think I start cooking around 11 or 10:30. So it's only now that I'm done cooking. I think I did start around 11:30 for my lunch. So it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in America. So that's it, guys. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, see ya. Bye.